Just look at the volume. Like, excuse me? Excuse me. At the end of the day, this is why I'm living. For two things, Jesus and big hair. Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope that you stick around and subscribe. And to my OG subbies, I love you so freaking much. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to fake a blowout. Yes, honey, I'm talking about the salon blowout that takes them at least 30 to 45 minutes to do. But no, we do not have time for a 45-minute blowout. Super easy. All you're gonna need is some Velcro rollers. I swear by these guys. I actually just picked up this new set from Walgreens. These rollers are just gonna give you the lift and the volume. The second thing you're gonna need is a hot brush. You can use like a straightener. Really my go-to signature hairstyle whenever I was on TV was a salon blowout. Every single day I try to fake a blowout with this bad boy and it honestly worked wonders. So I'm pretty much just gonna show you guys exactly what I used to do whenever I was on air and how I would get like a really cute blowout that would last me all day. Oh, one quick thing before I start. YouTube is not recommending my videos to you guys anymore. And some people have even told me that they're not even showing you my videos in your subscription box. Please hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I love talking to you guys over there. I answer every single DM. You guys are like my literal internet besties. Okay, now let's get started. So I split my hair in two and then I focus on the bottom first. I'll show you guys the sizes that it comes with. This is the size that I'm gonna use all over my head. Woo. And then this looks like a medium size. Literally cannot get it out. What do they put in this thing? So then you have a really small one and then a super small one. And then I'm gonna split my hair. And then you're gonna grab either your flat iron or your hot brush. What we're gonna wanna do is just curl under, just like this. So as soon as you take it out of either your flat iron or the hot brush, then what you're gonna wanna do is set that in place. So then we're gonna wrap it around the Velcro roller and then roll up. Grab a bobby pin and just secure that in place. So you can go under like this, but the reason we have it like this is because it's gonna automatically give you a lot of lift right there and volume. If you've been here a while, you know I always say the bigger the hair, the closer you are to God. Your girl loves some volume. So what we want is to kind of curl it in, and then we're gonna wanna curl up. The reason I love using a hot brush for this is because the hot brush actually adds so much shine to your hair. This is the Revlon one, and actually this one's a lot cheaper than the dry bar one. I will leave a link down below to Amazon so that way you can check it out. So for back here, I think I'm gonna go with the more medium size. So with this one, I'm actually gonna roll under. So my favorite part about doing a blowout at home or a fake blowout at home is honestly, it looks like you spent so much time on your hair. I got so fast at this. I could do it in, I swear, 10 minutes. Now let's move on to the top half, and you're gonna do the exact same thing that you did on the bottom on the top. So we want a lot of volume on the top of our head. Of course, honey, you want that lift. You're gonna wanna lift up while also curling at the very ends. Oh my gosh, I just found one of the bristles from my brush in my hair. Ow. Took me about 10 minutes to get all the rollers in my hair. Last thing I do is just give it a quick spray to lock it in. So whenever I did this like every day, I would do this before I did my makeup, and by the time I got done with my makeup, which was about 25-30 minutes, these would be cooled down by that time. Go get a snack, watch Love Island, go binge watch one of my other videos, come back, and let's see how it turned out. It has been about 20 to 30 minutes. A little trick for you if you just absolutely do not have the time to sit here and wait for your rollers to cool. Go and grab your blow dryer and give it a quick blow of like some hot air. That'll help it to set, and it's gonna set in the rollers, which is gonna help create lift, volume, etc. Just trust me. So satisfying. Give it a quick spray. Almost kind of styling it as I go, and you really just want to set that. You don't want to let it fall. I don't know about you guys, but for me especially, if I don't hairspray my hair, as soon as I style it, it falls flat. Yes, give me all of the bounce. So I'll even take my fingers and almost kind of like piece it where you want it before you even take it completely out. Brush it real quick. And if you want, just to give it a little bit more lift, go ahead and back comb a few times. Then I'll spray and secure that. Let it dry before you let it fall. Okay. So really that's just gonna give you a lot of volume back there. You can look at that and see. So full, so much volume. So now we only have one more piece, the bangs, which is arguably the most important part. And we're almost gonna do like the exact same thing. We're gonna do just the tiniest little back comb, give it a little spray, and just look at the volume. Like, excuse me? Excuse me. Wow. At the end of the day, this is why I'm living, for two things: Jesus and big hair. Literally, there's just no better feeling than big, full hair. So I'm gonna take some of this argan oil and Moroccan oil, and I like this because it's not oily, it's like a dry oil, so it's not gonna make it super like greasy looking. And you just wanna do few sprays, so that's gonna give you some extra shine. All right guys, so that is pretty much it. I really hope that you liked this video. I hope that you learned something new, and if you haven't tried this, seriously do it. In total, without me doing a video on it, I swear to you guys, this takes me probably 10 minutes before I do my makeup, let it sit, take it out, and you saw how fast it took me to style it. Literally maybe 5 minutes. And I've tested this and it lasts me all day long. I'm talking about from the time I left from work, which was around 1 or 2, and then I would get back home around midnight, 11 p.m. and this would last me all day. Super, super easy and quick. I hope that you subscribe to my channel if you're new. I just love talking with you guys and connecting with you guys, so make sure that you're following me on Instagram. I'm really playing with a lot of the reels these days because, you know, Instagram now has the video reels, which obviously I love video. So I'm playing a lot and I'm having a lot of fun over there. Make sure that you check it out. I just did this reverse cat eye look, but yeah, I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.